Mechanics absolutely hate it when drivers figure out this simple trick. Why? Because it solves a huge chunk of car issues for free. No tools, no parts, no $600 dealership visit. And once you know it, warning lights, rough idling, and strange shifting will stop catching you off guard. Dealerships are hoping you never learn this, because when you do, you stop handing over money every time your car acts up. But let's be clear, this isn't magic. It's not a gimmick. It's a real, tested method that pros rely on every day. Your car is essentially a rolling computer. Sensors, modules, and digital signals control everything, from fuel delivery to transmission shifts. And just like any computer, it can get confused. Sometimes sensors send bad data, modules fall out of sync, and suddenly your car is behaving as if something is broken, even when nothing is physically wrong. Take a harsh downshift or a rough idle. That might not be a failing part. It could be the transmission module responding to old data, or your engine control unit still using outdated fuel trim numbers from months ago. That's where the magic of a reset comes in. Clearing the system gives your car a fresh start. It's like rebooting your brain after a long day. Everything realigns, and the car relearns what normal feels like. The first and most powerful reset is also the classic one, the battery disconnect. Turn the ignition off and remove the key, then disconnect the negative terminal. Press the brake pedal for about 30 seconds to drain any remaining power, and wait 10 to 15 minutes before reconnecting. You'll lose presets and clocks, sure, but in return, your car's computer reboots. Old sensor data is cleared, idle settings reset, and adaptive transmission memory refreshed. It's especially effective after installing new sensors, replacing the battery, or troubleshooting unusual issues. If you'd rather be more precise, you can work through the fuse box. Most cars have fuses labeled for specific modules, ECU, TCM, BCM, or even infotainment. Pull the fuse connected to the system acting up, wait about 10 minutes, then plug it back in. For example, removing the transmission control module fuse after a service on a Nissan can restore smooth shifting almost instantly. It's fast, effective, and keeps the rest of your car settings intact. There's also a hidden reset that many drivers overlook: the pedal dance. This works on the throttle and transmission in almost any vehicle. With the engine off, turn the key to on and wait a few seconds. Press and release the gas pedal 5 times, then pause and press and hold for 15 seconds before starting the engine. This sequence clears stored transmission logic, recalibrates the throttle, and restores smooth acceleration. It's a quirky little routine, but it works on everything from Nissan and Toyota to GM and BMW. Got 20 bucks? You have more control than you think. A simple OBD2 scanner can read and erase error codes in seconds. Plug it into the port under the steering wheel, scan for issues, and clear them. It handles check engine lights after a bad tank of gas, loose fuel caps, misfires, or oxygen sensor glitches. The live data feature even lets you monitor fuel trims, RPMs, and sensor outputs in real time, so you know your reset actually worked. If the issues persist, the nuclear option is a full battery disconnect with the fuses for the PCM and TCM pulled for 30 minutes, followed by an idle relearn. Let the car idle for 5 minutes with the AC off, then with the AC on, and finish with a gentle drive. This combo clears stuck modules, fixes limp mode, and teaches your car how to run properly. Hyundai, VW, Ford. Many models respond amazingly to this full reset. Some resets are simpler, but no less effective. Tire pressure sensors can be reset in seconds. Inflate your tires, hold the TPMS button until the light blinks, and take a short drive. HVAC blend doors often need a quick button combo to recalibrate, and steering angle sensors can be reset just by turning the wheel fully left, fully right, then centering it. Even infotainment glitches can disappear with a factory reset. After any major reset, always follow up with an idle relearn to avoid stalling, hesitation, or inconsistent RPMs. One last trick that drivers almost always skip is the power window calibration. If your windows stop rolling up automatically or reverse halfway, a simple reset tells the system where fully open and fully closed are. Roll the window down and hold for a few seconds, then up the same way, and the one-touch function comes back to life. No motors or switches replaced, just a small reset that saves time and money. Once you understand these resets, you're not just behind the wheel, you're in control. You can troubleshoot like a pro without ever spending a dime on unnecessary parts. Keep a reset log, track the date, what you reset, and the symptoms. Patterns will emerge, you'll fix issues faster, and your car will thank you with smoother performance and fewer surprises. This simple trick isn't just about saving money, it's about giving your car a fresh start whenever it acts up. Mechanics might hate it, but you'll love it.